Negativity can absolutely damage your business. Hi, I'm G with Aroma G's Botanica. We are a spiritual shop in Nashville, Tennessee, been around since 1999. We make videos about spiritual things, witchy things, spells, but sometimes we also talk about the business of running a metaphysical shop. So that's what we're talking about today: positivity and negativity, and how it actually affects your business. So, running a business isn't easy. We all know that. It could be a roller coaster of these up and down things. There's good times, there's bad times. Um, but what I want to talk today is about your attitude, how your mindset can actually directly impact your success. So, negativity can damage your business. Negativity and drama might seem like harmless things when you're venting your frustrations, because we all get frustrated, but they do far more harm than you think. So I want you to picture this. You're scrolling through a business owner's social media, and all you see are posts complaining about customers and suppliers and even how tough things are, that the business is not doing well right now. I may have to take another part-time job or something. So what would your first impression be? Would you rush to work with this person, to buy from this person? Probably not, because part of you may be thinking, hey, especially if you're buying from the wholesale, you're wondering if they're going to be around for a while. Are they going to actually be there when you need them? So this is why highlighting negativity is a bad thing, when you should be showcasing everything that you do well. So positivity builds trust and attracts business. Um, so let's flip the script for a minute. Imagine a small cafe owner who shares how excited they are about their new menu or how appreciative they are that you're a loyal customer. That energy is magnetic. It's contagious. Its positivity builds trust and attracts customers who want to be a part of your brand story. And people are drawn to optimism, enthusiasm, because it reflects confidence and reliability. Um, Things like, think of a business owner who constantly thanks their customers for a successful event they attended or put on, or the team in a business celebrating a milestone, maybe the anniversary of a business or something like that. You may even post on social media a video of you designing a postcard to put inside your orders that says something, I don't know, proudly made for you. These are positive things. And here's why it works: because positivity sets the tone for your brand. When you're optimistic, you create a community of supporters who believe in you and what you're building. And that's not all. It motivates your team, it inspires loyalty, and it boosts your reputation. So you should choose positivity every day. Now, we have had some former employees who we had to have a talk with about positivity, because part of the job in working in a metaphysical shop, a spiritual shop, is keeping the vibe up. Because there's two reasons why people come into a metaphysical store, a new age store. That is, number one, for things they need for their spiritual journey. And number two, to feel uplifted. Sometimes people don't want to shop. They come in for the experience. They come in because they're needing to be uplifted. They need a positive vibe. But when you walk in and the people who are running the shop are at the counter gossiping, talking about someone's cancer or something, which, we always tell our employees, if you have something going on, come to us. Let's talk about it. We're here for you. But it's not, at the counter is not the place for that kind of conversation, because people feel it when they come in. They feel this negative conversation that was going on right as they walked in the door, especially because everyone, especially when everybody shuts up when you walk in the door. So that can be a problem. So, yes, there have been times when we actually had to talk to employees about keeping things positive, keeping things upbeat. Those are the things people come in for. They want to feel better. They come in for the relaxing music and the experience of of the solitude and feeling like they're welcomed. Um, that that's just part of what running a metaphysical store is. It's not just about selling incense or oils or candles. It is about being there for people when they're having a bad day. And you're not always there just to sell them something. So, what are some things we can do when to bring things to the positive? How to stay positive when you're feeling things are overwhelming. So, you want to focus on growth, not drama. So, you got to celebrate these small wins instead of focusing on the negative, whether it's gaining a new follower or you have a kind review or simply making it through a tough week. I mean, acknowledging and sharing your wins with your audience. Hey, we got a new follower, maybe tag them. I know of another wholesale business owner who tags people in a positive way. So and so is talking about me. So and so, this other group over here has said negative things about me, and then they tag them. It's like, I don't know what kind of business you're trying to create here, but people don't come to people don't come to these kind of shops. Really, any shop for that. I don't care if it's a dress store. People don't want to see that on your social media. They don't want to come in and hear about that. That's not what they're there for. No one willingly walks into negativity. They don't get in their car and drive to your place. Say, I've got to go get me some negative vibes today. That's not what's going through their head. So you got to share your vision with your customers and remind them why you started your business. I mean, people love being a part of something bigger than just a product. They want to see your passion. You can take time to engage with them with gratitude. Set aside some time to thank customers or the people who work for you and even your followers for their support. I mean, it strengthens relationships and keeps your focus on what is working instead of what's not working. And you got to be solution focused. People will embrace these opportunities to demonstrate resourcefulness, um, things that are going well, share how you're overcoming challenges instead of actually dwelling on any challenges you're having or bringing them up. No, it's true. Every once in a while, the things can be in a long-term slump, and you in some businesses need to share with their customers, we need your support right now. But to only focus on that is it's bad for business. It's not going to drive people to you. It's not even going to make me want to hang around you as an individual, let alone a business. So you have to think, what energy are you bringing to your brand? And people don't seem to like the word brand these days. They're like, well, I heard the other day someone saying, if you are a metaphysical store who is a brand, then you're not truly spiritual, which that's not true. Uh, we all do branding every single day. The fact that you see my face here on this channel most of the time or on our Facebook pages, on our YouTube channel, that's branding. You see me and for those who follow us, know it's Aroma G's Botanica or they know it's Papa G. Um, that's branding. It's just a natural occurrence of doing business for a long period of time. And you want that. You want people to recognize you. So remember, every post, every interaction, and every message you share reflects your brand. So you got to keep it aligned with your goals and your dreams. And I promise you will see the difference. So you just got to go out there, stay positive, stay upbeat. If something goes wrong, count to 10 before you go to that keyboard and post about it because You don't want to drive customers away. You want to be there for them in their time of need, not always wanting them to be there for you in your time of need, because you're the one that's supposed to be the spiritual leader. You're the one that's supposed to be offering them a safe haven, a place to go when they need it. So, all I can tell you is stay positive, stay strong. This is G with a Roman G's Botanica. Come in and see us.